Hello guys, good morning. I'm happy you are here. I'm Rinske Douna and I love to paint, pour, whatever, everything with paint or colors. I like it. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, well, I'm just gonna use my favorite colors here, and this is a primary blue. Then let's go for some yellow, violet red, a little bit of violet and gold. Okay, so let's pour white around this. Blow it over the colors. Let's see if cells will pop up. Okay, and yeah, let's blow it out. That is beautiful. Okay, let's torch this. I really like this green here. I don't know why I blowed it there like that. That's not pretty. Really like this. Yeah, there must be so much color under here still, I guess. This is beautiful. I love this green here. And that the blue is really coming up. It's delicate. It really is delicate. Composition-wise, I think it's nice to take this part off and make that white, because there's the white as well. Yeah, now it fits in my eyes. I really hope you like this too. It's gorgeous. But I really hoped, because I used the yellow and the violet red against each other, that I would create some orange in here. But no, I didn't. Yeah, I'll show you a close-up. So here she is. What I really like about this painting is that the design clearly is in the middle and very contrasting, and then it flows out beautiful naturally. It's gorgeous. And I took that part off what I blowed. This green is nice. I really wanted, by the way, some oranges in this one, so that's why I laid the violet red on the yellow. What we don't see, yellow or orange, but green. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. I like that the blue cells are popping up on the sides. Okay guys, well let me know what you think. This is clearly my favorite color combination. And every time it looks different. So that's very cool. Alright, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell and the like button. And of course, I love if you comment. Bye bye.